Okay, let's go. What the heck is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today is finally the day where we get the truck tuned. Let's go. Do you guys have coverall in the back anywhere? Yeah, it's like a spray kind of deal, like a shine spray.
No, I didn't clean it out.
Okay. All right, thanks. All right, guys. So I literally just washed the truck last night because I definitely want to have a clean truck, and plus it looks better in the video if the truck's clean. I washed the truck last night, and literally I had a run this morning, and I had to go down like 3 miles of dirty gravel roads, and it was wet, and there was puddles, and basically the truck got trashed again. And I'm kind of tight on time, so I just ran it through the drive-through. Like 2 videos ago, I did a wheel cleaner, or a wheel cleaner like battle, like a cheap dollar cleaner versus like a more expensive Meguiar's cleaner, and everyone commented on that video about like coverall, like tire shine. I walked into Advance and said, hey, you guys got any coverall? The dude looked like I was speaking Spanish. So Advanced Auto Parts does not have coverall. Oh, at least that one there. I'm gonna try maybe like Pep Boys or something, or like AutoZone, or you know, any other auto part stores, but I'm gonna find that stuff and I'm gonna use it. So anyways, let's get to the topic of the video here. The time has finally come for me to tune this truck. It's a long awaited deal. I cannot believe that I waited this long. I practically have, look at this, 22220. So 22,220 miles on the truck. And what we are doing is a stage 1 kit for the 6.7 Powerstroke. Now this exact stage 1 kit is available on our website. It will be linked in the description, mdm-performance.com. So if you like this video, you like the outcome of the stage 1 kit, go ahead and get one for your Powerstroke. We use the absolute best Powerstroke tuner in the industry, like definitely hands down, without a doubt. Everyone has their own opinion, but you know, this is very, very legit, very good tuning. It actually comes with actual transmission tuning, unlike the other big name tuners where it says you're gonna get a transmission tune, but you're not. I'm not gonna show you guys how to install any of the parts. I'm sure you can figure that out. I'm just basically doing an overview of the stage 1 kit here for the 6.7 Powerstroke. Alright guys, so here's the breakdown. Stage 1 for the 6.7 Powerstroke. Tuner, exhaust, and the switch on the fly to control your tune levels. First thing, let's talk about the fuel mileage that this tune will put out. I usually daily drive on power level 3, which would be 100 horsepower over stock, so you'll be roughly cranking at about 500 wheel horsepower. Now that you're going to be roughly running about 18.5 on the highway. That's what I've been getting. That's mixed of back road driving, a little bit of towing, and highway driving. So 18.5 is my average. And it has great power. Power level 3, it has killer power. You know, you can lay into the throttle, it'll smoke right off the takeoff, obviously, and then it'll clear up right away, and you'll be flying down the road. So fuel mileage. Now let's talk tuner. Now our tuner that we sourced through the country just happens to be right down the road from us. Snyder Performance Engineering, SPE Diesel. Give those guys a follow real quick on Instagram. It will also be linked below. They have an ultimate call out challenge 6.7 Powerstroke truck that's like insane. They have a 6.7 Powerstroke like full dragster that's insane. I think it's like the fastest Powerstroke dragster thing like in the world. He is like a engineering guru, and he really takes the time to develop his tunes throughout every parameter. He actually, you know, goes in and tunes the transmission for the different power levels to account for protecting the transmission. You know, obviously if you're cranking 600 horsepower and the truck's only meant to have like 400, that's a huge difference. That's 200 more horsepower. So he goes in and makes sure the transmission is operating right with correct line pressure and whatnot to make sure that it doesn't get damaged. So, you know, definitely go check out SPE Diesel. They do some of the sickest stuff with Powerstrokes in the industry. Definitely hands down, I would say in my book, the best tuning for the 6.7 Powerstroke. So that is the tuning that we're running. It's the EasyLink support pack. Great stuff. I mean, obviously, if anyone's familiar with the EasyLink, super simple program. You plug in the box, you link it up to your technician, you're good to go. You don't even have to keep the box plugged into your truck. Like right now, I don't have the box in the truck, but if you want to use your phone to see all of your temperatures and line pressure and fuel pressure and across the board, there's a ton of different things you can physically monitor with the EasyLink. Then obviously you'll need to leave it connected to your truck and use your phone as the display unit. But that's information for another video. SPE support pack on the EasyLink. I didn't do the EGR upgrade, so the EGR is currently still on the truck. I just did a FlowPro exhaust. Basically, it's just a muffler delete. It's about a 5-ish foot piece of pipe that deletes the muffler, and you put that in, and you're good to go. So the muffler delete and the tuning and the switch on the fly. So come on here, we'll check the switch on the fly. Alright, so here we got the SPE shift on the fly mount itself that mounts on the 2 studs that hold your OBD2 port in place. Very, very nice option for mounting your shift on the fly knob, so you don't have to drill into your dash or your plastic or mount it wherever. It's just a very nice system to keep the switch in place. It's sturdy, it's high enough up out of the way where you're not going to kick it or do anything like that. It's just a very nice option. And I mean, the switch is sturdy. You know, if you're cranking down the highway and see a cute chick in a Ferrari, you know, and you want to crank up the power levels and hammer down chaser, reach right down, you know where it's at, flip that switch, and you're gonna be cranking. So like right now I have it on power level 3, so that would be 2, that would be 1. So power level 1 is an improved stock tune, which is a couple horsepower over stock, and then, you know, it goes up 50 horsepower from there. So I know you have 50 more, 50, so that would be 100 over stock, 150 over stock, 200 over stock, and I can't go any higher because the switch is set for 5 tune levels. So I'm going to go back to, so that would be power level 4, power level 3. I daily drive it on power level 3. But that's it for the basic like tech specs, if you want to call it. You know, you have your horsepower numbers, and I know there's going to be comments on this video that is going to say that there's no way that this truck's putting down 600 wheel horsepower just with tuning. So we're going to bring you guys a dyno video, and you'll see exactly the horsepower numbers that it puts down. It should be definitely right around 600-ish, give or take a horsepower or 2, but right there. So that's it. Tech specs, we got the switch, we got the tuner, we did the muffler delete. I have the stock tailpipe on the truck. You know, as of right now, the truck looks completely stock. You cannot see that the muffler is missing, and the EGR is still on the truck. So it runs really good, and it still has a stock appearance. If you don't want to do a full exhaust This kit here was designed for a like a budget type deal, user friendly. You know, you can do this at your house in a few hours with just basic tools. All right, so we're gonna do a sound comparison for you guys to see the Muffler Delete. Start up stock, and then we'll start up with the tune on and everything going. Alright guys, so that's the deal. Stage 1, 600 horsepower tune for the 6.7 Powerstroke. If you want one of these for your truck, make sure you go to www.mdm-performance.com. The link will be in the description below. It's a killer kit, a budget kit. It makes the truck run very, very good. Like I said, the tuning is top notch. And for like a cab drone, like I'm running right now, and I mean, can you hear it? Powerstrokes are very quiet. They sound very nice. But that's it for today. Finally tuned the truck, 600 wheel horsepower, stage 1 kit. So do me one favor, guys. Join the Platinum Built lifestyle and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. But stay tuned for what we have planned. We have so much planned for you guys. I'm going to the house. We got a big old stack of quesadillas. I'm gonna rear end the guy real quick here, run right into the back. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!